Is it recording?
Yep.
Okay, parents, I'm going to show you this quick video. We had a little bit of trouble today, so we got to work on rounding again to estimate the sums. What that means is we're going to have a problem like 124 plus 367, and they want us to round to the nearest 10 or hundreds and then add the two sums together to get an estimate. All right, so we're going to round to the nearest hundreds first, okay? And then you guys know how to do tens from the previous video, and you can do that. So let's take a look at it first. The first thing we need to do is look at the hundred spot and circle it, which is the 1. Then we have to look next door. We draw the arrow to look next door, which is the 10 spot, which is the 2. Now we look at our rule here. We have 2 rules. We got to check them first. 4 or below, lay it down low. Was the 2 4 and below? Yes. So we're going to lay it down low. It's below 4, so it's 4 and below. So that means we have to go to the nearest hundreds that's below, which would be 100. Because remember, 100 is between 100 and 200. That's not 0, okay?
That's
I'm going
not.
to 0, to 100. That's the closest 100 if we're rounding down. Now, let's take a look at 367. We're going to circle the 3 because it's in the 100 spot. We're going to look next door. Now, does 4 and below apply to that one?
No.
No. What rule would apply?
5 and above, give it a shove.
Okay,
up.
5 and above, we're going to give it a shove to the higher 100 spot, which is not 300. That would be lower. What would be the higher 300 spot? Anybody?
400?
Yes?
Higher 300 spot?
Higher than 300. What's the next one?
400?
400.
Ooh, that's
So
on the right.
now we rounded to get an estimate for the sum, which is 100 plus 400 equals 500.
500.
Parents, they had to practice this a lot because they're really struggling with this. Okay, make sure they use their number lines
My mom ate your number lines.
for 367. So that way they could see, oh, the lower hundreds is the 300, the higher hundreds is the 400. Because they have to see where their number falls in between. I've even had them write down their 10s all the way across and their hundreds so they could visually see where their number falls between. Okay, thank you.